person sell 800 order. This person sell 7,000 order. This person sell at least 2,000 order. This person sell 2,000 order. Do simpler work. So if you want to make money online with simple work, keep watching this video. Hey, my name is Kalam. In this video I am going to share how to exactly make at least $100 per day with easy work. If you are a beginner, don't worry. I'll share a secret specific topic how to make money online at least $100. This is a simple work. Background remove. So at first go to fiverr.com, then charge for background removal. Here is a lots of gig here. There is a lots of gig. This person, this is awesome, and 1k plus review, 1k plus review. Here is a lots of service here. So if you want to make money with this simple work, then I will show you how to make and work those type of image. So at first go to fiverr.com, then simply join here, then go to canva.com. Canva is a video and photo editing software. If you are living in Africa, Asia, Europe and America, there is no matter, because Canva work worldwide and it's absolutely for free. You can start now. This link I will provide in description below. Please check it. Then type which photo you edit. It's depend you. So now I want to edit a Instagram post. Simply here is a lots of millions template, free template. You can start with free, absolutely free. Here is a template. Then upload your file. Example of I upload this one, and I will background remove right now. Then simply one click, then background remove. Oh, this is an awesome photo. Now if I want to this photo share any social media, there is no matter, because this is awesome. And I also do another photo, this one. Wow, this is really good. Now I will show only two examples. You can do anything, any photo, there is no matter. Now you need to create an account. This here, and this link I will also provide in description below. Please check it and sell your service. Please subscribe my channel for the next video.